I am Mohan Raj. My register number is URK22EC1018.
So the second, so this I am going to explain the second experiment, LED and dip switch interfacing. So first we are including the necessary libraries. Then we are giving the pin number of the switches, LEDs, and in respective variable names. And we are also creating a variable known as status. And inside the main loop we are creating IO direction to specify it is input or output. So we are setting the LED as input and switch as output. So one, we are using the shift operator, left shift operator, to correctly map into the correct position of the pin number. So then we are using an infinite loop and a status variable. So what the IO pin does is it checks whether the switch is in on or off. So it is used to check it. So if the switch is in on, off, and if the switch is off and this we are enabling the switch to on, then the status would be, so the AND operator is used. So only when both the conditions get true, it gets turned on. So based upon that, we are turning on or turning off the LED. So this is one switch and one LED interfacing. So I have uploaded the code and I will be showing the output. So this is the first dip switch, and when I turn on, the LED glows, and turn off, the LED off. So the LED is mapped from pin number 16 to 23, and the dip switch starts from 24. Thank you. So this is LED and multiple dips, 4 dip switch interfacing. So 4 LEDs, 4 dip switches. So in the previous code we did for 1 LED and 1 dip switch. Here we are using 4 LEDs and 4 dip switches. So similarly, in the previous code we used 1 pin port number and 1 variable. So we are creating 4 variables for each of the switches, 4 LEDs, 4 variables for each of the LEDs, and 4 status pins. So similar to the previous code, so we are only in the IO direction we are adding another line of code. So we are using the OR operator to set the direction for each of the LEDs and for each of the switches. And similarly, remaining we have just duplicated the code of the previous, the LED switch. So previously we have used 1 status. Here we are using 4 status and 4 conditions. So this is 1 LED and 4 LEDs and 4 dip switch integration. So I have uploaded the code and we can see it's working, how it works. So when I turn on the first dip switch, so this is pin number 23. So this is LED is connected to pin number 24. So it's turning on. And second dip switch, third dip switch, and fourth dip switch. So, and similarly we can turn it off also. So this is how it works. Thank you. So where this can be used is, so this can be used in normal home lighting. So normally we are using a switch and bulb in connections. So there we can use, and we can use in indicators. So different types of indicators, turning on status flags or indicators, we can use this dip switch and LED interfacing. And we can use in the hardware enabling special functions in the embedded systems. So these are some of the applications where this is practically applicable. And how we are uploading the code is, so we are typing the code in the C program. So we are adding it in the source group. Then we are in the options, we are in the linker, we are use memory layout, and in the output we are giving the name of the executable, and we are checking out create hex file. So after doing all this, then we click on build. So when we click on build, the hex file is generated. So then we are going to the FlashMagick tool and selecting the executable and checking this box and clicking on start. Ensure that the switch is in on position, that it enables us to upload the code, and click on reset. So we can upload the code. So again turn off the upload switch, then again click on reset, that the uploaded code can be seen as output. So this is how it works. Thank you.